The Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are the three models in the Galaxy S24 series that Samsung is expected to unveil on January 17, 2024. Information about the Galaxy Unpacked event has been made public, offering a glimpse into the features that are anticipated for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series. There are rumors that Samsung's next phone would have a 200MP primary rear lens, much more megapixels than Apple's very meager 48MP primary lens. That being said, there are a few reasons why it's not a huge concern. First off, the number of megapixels doesn't really matter, and second, the Galaxy S23 Ultra also has a 200MP primary lens. Black, gray, violet, and yellow are the four color variations of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus that are anticipated to be released. There are hints that the Plus edition may incorporate the innovative M13 screen technology in addition to the 6.7-inch QHD Plus display, which is expected to have a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 2500 nits. The anticipated features for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus are expected to include a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Additionally, the camera system is expected to incorporate cutting-edge artificial intelligence capabilities. Most likely, a 4,900 mAh battery that supports 45-watt quick charging will power the smartphone. Furthermore, it is said that the Galaxy S24 Plus would be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400 CPU, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra will reportedly include a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset. The smartphone is expected to include storage choices of 128GB and 256GB, but the precise RAM configuration, either 8GB or 12GB, is yet unknown. The beginning price for regular storage configurations of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is expected to be approximately $999, according to the latest report, which projects pricing to stay comparable with that of its predecessor. Important information to remember is that the exact price and full specs will be revealed during the Samsung launch event. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.